Subject Science, Class 4th, Chapter 2, Teeth and Tooth Care. Good evening, my dear children. Today we are going to study about teeth and tooth care. As you all know, we have teeth in our mouth and we have to take care of our teeth. Today I am going to explain it to you how we can take care of our teeth. So let us start today's chapter. Teeth. Here you can see picture also. In human, teeth grow twice in life. A human baby is born without teeth. Teeth start growing at the age of 5 to 6 months. When the child attains the age about 3 years, he or she has a set of total 20 teeth. This set of teeth is called milk teeth. A new set of teeth grows to replace the milk teeth. This new set of teeth is permanent and called permanent teeth. Functions of teeth. Teeth help us in many ways. Teeth help us to bite and chew food. They help us speaking clearly. They give shape to our face. Clean teeth make our smile beautiful. Here is some types of teeth you can see in the picture also. Mainly teeth are 4 types. There is first type is incisors or cutting teeth. These are sill shaped and have sharp cutting edge. 4 front teeth in each jaw is called incisors. Cannon or tearing teeth. Cannons are dagger-shaped teeth. They are very sharp and pointed. They are used to tear the food. Premolars or crushing teeth. Premolars are broad, flat and strong teeth. There are 4 premolars in each jaw. They are present on either side of the cannon in each jaw. They help to crush the food. Molars. Molars are broader than premolars. There are 6 molars in each jaw. So here you can see the pictures also. So you can recognize these are the structure of teeth present in our mouth. Here is the structure of the tooth. A tooth is embedded in a socket of the jawbone. It has 3 parts. The uppermost part is called crown. The middle part is called neck. And the lower part is called root. The outer white part of the tooth is enamel. It is the hardest part in our body. Beneath the enamel lies the main part of the tooth called dentine. The pulp is made of soft tissue and consists of blood vessels and nerves. Toothache. When we eat and do not wash our mouth properly, bites of food may get stuck between the teeth. These food particles rot by the attack of some bacteria and form a thin sticky layer over the teeth. The acid first attacks the enamel and then the pulp, causing holes or cavities. This is called tooth decay. Effects of tooth decay. Holes or cavities in the tooth. Terrible pain. Foul smell in the mouth. Stomach disorder. Loss of teeth. Bleeding gums. How to take care of our teeth? Brush your teeth twice a day. You must eat salads, fruit and nuts that will make your teeth strong. Do not eat too many chocolates and sweets. You must drink enough milk. Milk contains calcium that makes your teeth strong. Get your teeth checked by a dentist at least twice a year. Next topic is microbes or small microorganisms. Small insects are called microorganisms. We can say very small insects are called microorganisms. Microorganisms or microbes are very small and simple organisms. They can be seen only through a microscope. Microbes are four types. First is bacteria. Bacteria are microscopic organisms. They are made up of single cells. Viruses are smallest type of microbes. Third is protozoa. Protozoa are unicellular organisms. Food poisoning and malaria is caused by protozoa. Fungi. Fungi can be unicellular and multicellular organisms. Skin diseases are caused by fungi. Now it's time for questions and answers. So my dear children, these questions and answers you have to write in your notebook. Question number 1. What are the four types of teeth present in human being? There are types of teeth present in human being. First is incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Second question, what is the other name of premolars? The premolars teeth is also called bicuspids, are traditional teeth located between the canine and molar teeth. In human, there are two premolars. Question number 3. Name a disease caused by bacteria. Bacterial diseases include any type of illness caused by bacteria. For example, food poisoning, Helicobacter pylori caused by bacteria. What is food decay? Food spoilage is the process where a food product becomes unsuitable to ingest by the consumer. The cause of such a process is due to many outside factors as a side effect of type of product it is, as well as how the product is packaged and stored. Question number 5. Write 2 steps that you should follow to avoid tooth decay. Brush your teeth after eating with fluoride toothpaste. Keep up with dental visits. Question number 6. Differentiate between incisors and canines. Incisors. These are chisel shaped and have sharp cutting edge. 4 front teeth in each jaw are incisors. They are used to bite our food. Canines. Canines are dagger-shaped teeth. They are very sharp and pointed. These are used to tear the food. Thank you, my dear children, and God bless you all.